We're showing people a tour of vegan food in London.
This is true.
Yay.
So many options.
So many options. We haven't even touched the surface.
We haven't even scratched the surface.
Scratch the surface. Say hi, Daniel.
So excited to
Oh my
that
God.
Rose is here.
Yay!
Best day ever.
Best day ever. We're gonna have a great day, even though I'm probably gonna be tired and dead, but it's okay. We'll get me drunk.
I mean, you always get drunk anyway, so.
This place is so cute. Ooh, very nice.
Yes.
Here we are, first stop, kind of, after getting coffee. Woo woo! Oh, it's huge. Is it like a restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay, good. 100% plant. Oh, it's cute. Oh, there you are, Daniel. Say hello.
Hey guys.
Daniel's back.
I'm back. Well, actually,
I'm
you're
back.
back.
I'm back. So we are at, where are we?
We're at My Chloe. I love this. What did we order, Rose? Where are we at? I don't know.
I never know anything. No, I remember what we ordered.
Yeah.
We ordered, oh, I got the large mac and cheese.
Oh, did you?
Of
Oh,
course.
God.
The small one looked too small.
Yeah.
And we got a salad. Okay, so we got a spicy salad.
Yeah. Spicy Thai salad.
Spicy Thai salad, the fish and chips, and the mac and cheese.
And we got lots of sauces as well.
Daniel brought a lifetime supply of sauce.
You can't go wrong with sauce.
So we've got, what is this?
Chipotle aioli.
Chipotle aioli and
Beetroot ketchup.
and some
Cheers.
water. Cheers.
There'll be alcohol later. There'll be alcohol later.
That's not even a question.
I know, it's true.
So what is this, Dan? This is the spicy Thai salad.
So this be the spicy Thai
Ooh,
salad
there's
in
crispy
here.
things on it.
These are the crispy like wontons.
So I don't think this is a healthy choice because there's so much fried stuff, but it looks delicious.
It is delicious as hell. Then over here we have the
Fish and chips. They only give you one piece.
I guess.
Not impressed. And giant chips.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You know when you're in the UK when
Yeah.
and then they split the mac and cheese for us. That's sweet.
Yay!
Yay! Are we excited?
I'm so excited. I'm ready to dig in.
Yes. Okay, let's dig in. Mac and cheese.
So good. This would be like bacon.
Smoked mushrooms. Ooh, it's kind of spicy. What's in the salad? It's huge.
It's like quinoa. Tempeh like sriracha.
I'm gonna enjoy my food.
So this be the bridge that I walked.
What bridge is this, Dan?
I think it's Waterloo Bridge.
Waterloo Bridge.
Yeah.
That was lunch. First meal in London. What did you think, Daniel?
It was really good. It was tasty.
It was tasty. The fish and chips were really good. I wish there were more than one piece.
I know. I feel like it should be 2 minimum.
Yes.
Like so.
Because we're a bunch of fat pigs. I'm actually really full though, so.
Yeah. Well, we had a lot.
We had a lot of food. The mac and cheese was pretty good. Not the best, but I think I had that same mac and cheese when I was in Boston. The salad was pretty good. I like the tempeh pieces.
In the sriracha. Of course, you would like that.
But yeah, I think the fish and chips was actually really, really good. But anyways, now we're heading to a bar, of course. I can't believe I'm in London. I still need a shower.
That's true.
I still need to get my shit together. My shirt probably has stains all over it. We are now at some bar that we don't know the name of. We'll get the name of it later, but we're having some beer because it's a really hot day and we're both overdressed. Like we're wearing too many clothes.
Yeah, we definitely need to strip down.
we need to strip down, Dash. Ah! This is where we are. It's kind of empty right now, but it's also like 2:30 in the afternoon on a Thursday?
Thursday, yeah.
Thursday.
We're gonna watch the beautiful Rose pour in a beer. Look at the excitement in the eyes. I mean, that's probably the worst pour I've ever seen, Rose. I mean, like,
I'm focusing on the video.
like this is
Cheers, guys.
potentially the worst beer pour I've ever seen. What happened to your camera, by the way?
It broke. I mean, I take very good care of my camera.
Apparently. I mean, what happened to your GoPro, Rose?
I want a picture. It broke too. We are at the Alba bar.
E-L-B-A.
E-L-B-A bar on the rooftop. Ooh. We climbed up a very large set of stairs.
Rose was so funny. So we're going to Sloane Square. We're going to a place called, I think it's called the Wolf and
Lamb.
Wolf and Lamb, that's right, yeah. And they do like a vegan, we really want to do like a vegan brunch.
Yes.
And originally we were going to go to Black Cat Cafe because it has a really good vegan brunch, but they only do it on weekends.
And it's Friday.
It's Friday. Are we on holiday?
We're on holiday. I'm kind of sick, so I'm going to get Daniel to talk.
I have no problem doing that.
Oh, hello there.
Hey.
I'm excited.
So,
Daniel got the oat milk
latte.
Oat milk latte. Yum yum. And I got my usual Americano.
Rose desperately needs coffee.
I'm still a bit sick, guys, so I'm not as energetic today. I'll probably need another one of these later.
Yeah, we'll make sure we do get one because I don't want to take any more backlash.
Daniel thinks I'm mean to him, especially when I'm sick.
Oh yeah.
So we're at Wolf and Lamb, which is a little, I think it's a completely vegan restaurant.
It's just plant-based dining.
Yes, so I think it's completely vegan. It is in Chelsea near Sloane Square, and it's really, really cute, and I'm kind of excited. We're about to have breakfast. Really cute. I like this.
I've never been to this part of Chelsea.
Thank you. What is this, Dan?
It's the full
wolf breakfast.
Yeah, full wolf breakfast.
So we have here some what looks like baked beans, but house made. What's scrambled ackee? What's ackee?
No idea.
Apparently this is scrambled ackee, some sort of hash brown potato thing. Ooh, yours looks like different than mine.
Okay.
And then peppers, mushrooms. Looks delicious. Ooh, what is that?
What are you thinking?
It's good.
It's nice, isn't it?
I don't know what it is. It's really interesting. It melts in my mouth.
Yeah, it's like really like, I don't know. It's cool though, I like it.
It's very, very soft. It melts immediately in your mouth. It doesn't really have like a eggy consistency, but it's very flavorful. Try this.
Okay, try the mixed bean thing.
I'm happy.
You're
so good.
You're in your happy place.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
God damn. Can't take this one anywhere.
I'm gonna try the potatoes. My camera died.
What is this scrambled stuff? It's like a mystery.
So good. Fancy schmancy. Did you enjoy that brunch, Dan?
It was so good.
It was actually really good. Everything was very, like, tasty, very nicely flavored.
Yeah, I really like that scramble.
The scramble was so good. It was made of ackee or something.
Yeah, some kind of fruit.
Yeah, it was very unique. It was a very different take on like a vegan scramble.
Which I like because a lot of the time it's just like tofu scramble.
Yeah, which I love.
Yeah.
But
Nice to try something different.
yeah. So I recommend it, guys. I recommend that place.
And it's in a really cute little street.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Adorable.
It makes you feel a little nice and fancy.
Yeah.
So say hi, Dan. We are now, oh, I got myself a little SIM card.
Yeah, you did.
Which means I don't have to talk to this guy all day. I'm just kidding.
But who doesn't want to talk to me all day?
I want to talk to you all day, every day. Yes, so we are now in this little square. This little shopping area. Super bougie looking. He's having a super, bougie sparkly water. I'm having a long black. Ooh, look how great it looks. Oh, I love coffee.
It's delicious.
It's pretty good. You don't like black coffee?
I don't really like black coffee, but just coffee in general is just so good.
It's so good.
I love coffee.
We're now at Box Park. Yeah. It's a bit of a cloudy situation. Ooh, fancy. That's a vegan place. Have you tried this place? It's vegan. This place is vegan. I want one bun. Do you want two? Okay. Hello, how are you? These are both vegan places. I think that's like a vegan fast food place. This is vegan Asian style food. So we are at Box Park.
Hey.
And we're at Chai. We just got some bao buns.
We're having one of each.
We're having one of each.
I'm really excited about.
What was the story that we're gonna tell?
Well, basically, I think like a while ago, Rose was contacted by the people that started Ichai, and they were like, "Oh, we really want you, like Rose, to come and try our like food and test it out or whatever."
Before it all happened.
Before it all like kicked off. So we're like, "Oh, this is really cool." So we met up with them at a park and tried all the food.
They gave us so much food, and we taste tested stuff.
Yeah.
And
that was like so cool. They have like a little.
And it's all popular.
I know.
So very happy for you guys.
Congrats, guys.
Yay! Yeah, it's kind of crazy where it all came from. So we got to taste test.
We were here from the beginning.
Yeah. Here we are, steamed buns. I think this is the char siu.
Yeah.
This is the kimchi.
Fried tofu. That's gotta be the
fried tofu. So those are the three kinds of bao. All vegan. Come to eat chai in Box Park. Is it delicious, Daniel?
So good. Do you want another bite of this one, or should I just eat it all? So flavorful, so delicious.
Is it everything you've ever dreamt of?
And more.
Ooh, there's seitan pieces in here.
Okay, hang on. We're gonna just zoom into that one, Rose.
Some crispiness.
God damn, that looks delicious.
All right, let's try this.
It's messy as hell. Rose, what's the verdict?
This one's better.
Really? So the kimchi has the Korean stamp of approval. That's all you need in life.
This one's a char siu.
Hang on, let's get a good zoom in on this. Ooh, look at those juicy flavors.
So I think like originally it's like made of pork, but this one's seitan.
Okay. So out of the three, if you could pick one, which one's your favorite? Really?
This one's just really, really flavorful.
Yeah.
So much flavor, a lot going on.
So that's the kimchi one, guys. It's got a Korean stamp of approval.
Well, now we got wings, because apparently we haven't eaten enough. We got some vegan wings at Biff's Jack Shack, which is right next to Ichai. I decided to get all 4 flavors. So it's 4 for £10.
I'm excited to try them.
Woo! So here are the 4 kinds of wings. Ooh.
What are the flavors?
I forgot.
That doesn't surprise me.
One of them is a buffalo. I think that's it.
That looks like buffalo.
That one's buffalo. And then one of them is some kind of sweet barbecue. I think that one's it. And then one of them is I forgot. But we got all 4 flavors, so we'll see. Do you want to try it?
Damn, Rose, this looks like it's going to be so messy to eat.
Yep. How is it?
I like this one. I think this one's the buffalo.
Let's see the inside. Ooh, it looks really meaty.
It's like jackfruit, isn't it?
Oh, is it jackfruit?
I think so.
Is it not seitan?
No, it's not seitan. I think it's like jackfruit.
Oh.
Try it.
That's disappointing. All right, what was this?
So that one was it's like a blue cheese buffalo kind of. It's creamy and like delicious.
I'm gonna eat all the wings while Dan is talking on the phone.
So why don't you
I'm so full. That was really good. I'm really full. We're having a beer as well. Whew. I think this beer is also filling me up. We're showing people a tour of vegan food in London.
This is true.
Yay.
So many options.
So many options. We haven't even touched the surface.
We haven't even scratched the surface.
Scratch the surface. Ooh! We're at Unity Diner, which is apparently really good. And I think we can have that little seat. Yeah. Ooh. It's a non-profit vegan establishment. Ooh, yes. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so we are at Unity Diner.
Let's see.
So this is highly recommended, and it is the diner that is opened by Earthling Ed, who is a vegan activist. And it looks very, like, happening. There's a lot happening. There's a lot of people here. And I love that there's, like, outdoor seating. It looks like there's a lot of, like, junky things on the menu, which we like.
Which I get excited about.
So there's, like, hot dogs, there's burgers, and I think I'm gonna get the seitan chicken burger because that sounds really good.
I might get the seitan chicken burger as well.
Oh, we're gonna get the same thing. We should get different things, Dad. Okay, never mind.
Basically, she wants to try as much as possible.
Yes. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Woo. Dan.
We can deal with that later.
Yes.
My phone's gonna die, so.
Well,
She's like, "Oh, I wanna come
these
along
are
and see
the
what's going
toe
on."
fish bites. Ooh. Let me do a little squeeze.
Okay then.
And I was telling Rose.
Damn, this is so good.
Oh my god, this is amazing. Like,
Try it.
Can I just have a bite? I don't want to.
here, do you want to try this?
Yeah.
It literally is like.
It's very fishy.
It is so.
Oh my god, it tastes like fish.
Yeah. What is it?
I think it's fish. I think you're lying.
The seaweed gives it the fish taste.
Really good.
Oh my god.
I want this big
I
piece.
forget that.
So, what is this, Dan? The mountain burger?
mountain burger.
Moving Mountains burger with onion ring, which I want a bite of.
Here, look.
Yes.
That's what it is.
Moving Mountains. And then this one is this chicken burger with the vegan cheese and vegan bacon.
It looks like.
And we have
Wow, it smells good as well.
mac and cheese, a side of mac and cheese that we're gonna share. We're waiting for Christelle's hot dog. Yay!
Probably not the biggest one I've ever seen.
Wine bottle.
Oh my god, look at this hot dog. Compared to your body, it's like literally the size of your body. Like, what is this?
Wine
It
bottle,
is
literally.
jumbo. Okay, it's huge. How many inches? 9?
I would say so.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at all this food.
Is it your first time at the restaurant?
Yes, we're very excited.
Cheese, there is it.
The cheese is it's vegan cheese. Okay, I need to try this like giant burger. I can't even eat this.
Would you like to hold it for you?
We're not gonna cut these in half and then share them.
Dessert time. What was this? Peanut butter
Blondie, I think.
blondie.
Okay.
Wow, it looks
amazing.
intense. Ooh.
Good.
Wow.
Oh.